our training. Let me share the screen. So, so once you are able to see the screen, please anyone can confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, sure. And we are here in our this atom text editor. Okay, so here I have made the part 2 HTML. Actually, we are going to cover the part 2 of our CSS section level 1. So in this part 2, I will teach you about some extra CSS parts. Okay, how you can add some extra CSS. So uh, we'll discuss about the backgrounds and borders, how you can give the backgrounds and border to each HTML tags, and we will also show how to utilize the division tags and span tags. So we mentioned during the HTML section of the course that division tag also I have mentioned about you division tags, and you can also apply the CSS on the division tag on the with the help of class. And in a span tag also you can apply the CSS. So let's get started our second that is part 2. Okay. So I have made this HTML file for our part 2, and I have also made this CSS file, part 2 CSS. Okay. So let me go to our HTML file, and I have introduced you one link so that this link can integrate our CSS file into our HTML file. So that's why I need to change the name of that part 2 this href. I need to change this href. That's why I have changed into part 2 master.css. Okay, so let's go further. And I also have refreshed the page, so that's why we are able to see the our heading here, and we are able to see the list item 1, item 2, item 3, that is in division tag. Okay, and this paragraph is also we are able to see the paragraph 4, but there is not any paragraph. Why it's coming? Let me do edit this. Okay, let me save this and now. Okay, so now we are able to see the yes, this all the paragraph actually. Or I have refreshed the page, so this is paragraph outside div, and these three paragraphs are inside the div, and this inside span is inside the span. Okay, so let me check why we are getting the color green color. Okay, why we are getting this green color? I have not changed anything. This is newly generated code, but why we are getting this green color? I don't know. Okay, so let's go further. Actually, I will tell you about the CSS. Let me check it about. So this should be black actually. Why we are getting this? I don't know. Let me check. Let me further open this in the new this. Here also we are getting the green. But why we are getting green this? Let me. Okay. So there is one issue actually. I think I have not saved the CSS here, CSS file also, so that it will change. Okay. Yes. So that was the mistake of not saving the CSS file. So now right now I have saved that CSS file part2 master.css because this CSS file only included here. So that's why we have got the green color. So sometimes we also learn about the mistakes. Okay. So don't take the mistakes and these all things like uh, I'm not able to do that. No, you should learn from that. Okay. So Okay, here I am able to see the black color of the all the paragraphs. So let me introduce you. This is the part 2. Okay, so you can understand about it. Okay, let me start the our CSS. So here we have one paragraph that is outside the division tag, and we have three paragraphs that is inside the division tag. Okay, let me give the CSS to our whole what body, to our whole body tag. Okay, I want to give the background of this HTML. So what I will do, I will write body, then inside body I will write background. Okay, so I want to give background color, so you go to second heading, then press enter. Okay, after enter you can give the color. So I am giving here gray color. Okay, that mostly developer use for backgrounds. So let me save this file and refresh this. So now you are able to see the background color that is gray. On moving forward, I will tell you how you can add the CSS in div tags. So how you can add the CSS in div tags? That is very simple. You write the div, then curly braces, opening and closing, and inside the curly braces, you need to give the background color. On what will be the background color I am giving? I am giving here blue. You can go any color by your choice. Okay, let me save this. And now this CSS also applied here inside this div. Okay, so you can see this paragraph is outside the div. So this paragraph is not have background blue, but these three paragraphs are inside the div. So these three paragraphs have what color blue. Okay, I hope everyone understand about it. Next, I am going towards the division. Okay. More also, I want to add some more functionality of our division tag. And I can tell you before that you can see the color by changing the color. You can see the background change. Also, you can see the red color. I also changed here. So inside the division, I want to show you one more thing. And you can also put that without background color. You can put the background only, then also this will be applicable. You can put background gray like that, not background color, only background you can give. So this also will apply like that, no error. We will see. Okay, see, I have saved that file and refreshes, and now you are also able to see the same result. Okay, and before that I want to show you, you can give the border. You can give the border color. Okay, border radius, border left, border right, these things you can give. But right now I am giving border color. So what border color I will give? Blue. Okay, so that is background is red and border color is blue. Okay, so this border color I have given. Let me save this and refresh it. Okay, so I think border is not thick. That's why we are not able to see the border. So let me do one change that I will tell you border width. What is the width of border? So that will be thick. That will be thick. Okay. So our border will be thick. Let me refresh it. Why we are not able to see the changes? So our border is thick and we are not able to see the border right now also. So we need to give the border style. So what will be the border style here? Border style. So border style should be dotted. Okay. This inside the division tags I have given these things. Okay, let me save this. And now you are able to see the border. Okay. So until border, you can't give border style. You are not able to see the border, what type of border you have. So you need to give the border style. Okay. So I have given the dotted border style. So you are able to see the border that is blue color and thick. Okay. Let me change this dotted into, okay, what will be the border style? Dashed. Okay, I want to give dashed. So you can see that this is the dash format of border. Okay. So in this way you can add the CSS and division tag also. Okay. Another thing I want to show you. So background is red and border color is blue. It's okay. And I want to change the border width. So I want to change the border width like 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel, 4 pixel. So I want to give 4 pixel here. Okay. So that you can change the border by your choice. So now you can see this is the 4 pixel width, and you can change the border style. You can change the border style. Another one also, you can give the double. Okay, you can give the groove. So that will you want, you can give. Okay, so now here you can see the we have double border which have the width of 4 pixel. You can give the 8 pixel width. Okay, it's upon you. So you can change like that. Yes. So now inside the division tag, we have three paragraphs and four paragraphs. Let me add you one CSS for paragraph only. So let me give color of our paragraph, that is yellow, or you can give any color. Okay, I want to give yellow. So see what the change we will see. Okay, let me save this so you can understand what the change we will see. So we will see all the paragraphs that is outside the div, that is inside the div, all will be changed into yellow. So so when you add the CSS and paragraph tag, that is p tag, the whole that thing, that CSS will apply to the whole paragraph that is available inside your HTML file. So that's why we need to specify the particular divisions. Okay, and I will tell you about that, how you can add the separate color to paragraph. So that's why we have given this division, and we have given the color and division. So we are able to separate the outside paragraph and division paragraph. Okay, and after that I will tell you how you can add the CSS in Spain. Okay, in Spain you can add background. Okay, so background color should be red. So this will apply only onto the Spain, and what I have given the Spain, that is yellow. Okay, so that is red, and red is, I think, not visible to you because of the background, or this background is already red. So let me change this background into green. Okay, and now see our division background is green, and now Spain background in red. So that the text which is available inside the Spain, which have the background red. Okay, and what will be the color of text? So you can also give the color of text. So color of text should be black. Okay, right now the color of text is only what? Yellow, because we have given the all paragraph yellow color. But I want to change the color of any specific text that is under the Spain. Okay, let now save this, and now you are able to see the color of the Spain. have changed. So this is the power of CSS actually. You can change the style of every part. Okay. So this I have completed about the part 4, but there is one thing I can show you about the our body tag. So here, not giving any color, you can give the image here also. So you can give the URL of any image. Okay, inside curly braces, you can give the URL. So let me find one image. Uh, what forest? Okay. So forest image I am searching here. There is any forest. Okay, let me take it. And how to open this image, open image in new tab. Okay, I'm able to open the image in new tab, and then you copy this text and you need to put the URL here. Oh, this is very big URL actually. I'm not pasting this. So let me go to another file and let me open this in new tab and copy this, Control plus C, and okay, let me paste here. Anyway, let me save this and wanted to show you the change here. Okay, now you are able to see the image in our background. In our body background, you are able to see the image. So when you add the URL of any image in background, you are able to see the image also. So I hope you all understand about this. Okay, so this is the part 2 of our CSS. Okay, after that, let me go further towards part 3. Uh, okay, before that, anyone have any doubt about that CSS part 2, or all are understanding fantastic way, or yeah, Zakir, Vishal, Vaibhav, Sneha, Shubham, Shivani, Sanika, Rutuja, Roshan, Pallavi, Nehil, Lavleen,
No doubt,
Nisha,
sir.
Divansh,
No doubt.
Nalja,
Well,
No
Arun,
doubt, sir.
Aditya, Nehil,
no doubt, sir.
No
Arun.
doubt, sir.
No
Okay,
doubt,
okay.
sir.
Sure, sure, sure. Okay, okay. Yeah, thank you. So let me start the level 3. So in our level 3 of CSS, you will understand what? A major part of what we have seen so far have resolved around the idea of CSS selectors. So actually, until now, we have learned about the selectors. So how you can give the CSS to our HTML tags, H1, division, body, paragraph, span, and these are selectors. Okay, so selectors in general are used to target HTML element that we want to style. So far we have only approached the idea of selecting HTML elements by their tag. Okay, that we have already learned. But what if we only want to select subsets, subset inside that tag, or select a single element only? So for that we need to add some specific CSS. So for that we need to add one different functionality, that is class. So that is where we can use selectors to clarify exactly what elements we want. Okay, so we can use IDs. ID also we can use to target single element. Class also we can use to target group of elements, and we can then use also combination of selector tags to target certain combination of elements. So these things we can do. So let's jump right into I can show you how can we work towards our HTML and CSS of part 3. So let me show you these things. So let me change this only part 2. Okay, so you can understand everything in one go. I will tell you it is part 3, and here the same CSS file I need to integrate, and I will change this actually. We will not consider this paragraph and these things here now. So yes, let me tell you about the part 3. Okay, so in this
Sir,
part 3,
can you show again? Sir, can you show again from this picture how can you done this?
sorry,
Yeah, can you show this again? When you picture I inserted like passport size photos. Can you
this image,
teach? Yes, yes.
how can we add this image?
या नहीं हाउ जैसे कि आपने जो भी बनाया है तो आपने कैसे बनाया मतलब कैन यू मैं देख नहीं पाया तो कैन यू टीच अगेन कैसे आपने बनाया
What's
ये
your name?
नहीं नहीं
Okay, Nehil, actually I have done this, so I have also recorded this session. You can go to that. I will provide you the recording. Okay. So this thing actually I have, okay, let me tell you. So this is the HTML. Okay. This is the HTML in which I have given the paragraph, that is separate paragraph, that is different from our divisions paragraph. So in the division tag I have given the three paragraph. Okay, in one paragraph I also have given the span, and inside span I have given the one, that is uh, text. Okay, and now in every paragraph, in every box I am applying the CSS, so that's why I have made this CSS file. Okay, and for the CSS I have given the CSS to different selectors. Okay, so these the body I have given different, the division I have given the different, then paragraph I also have given the different, and span also I have given the CSS. So that's why we are able to see this. Okay, and here in URL you can paste the URL of any image, like that. This URL of image you can add, so that you can see the image. Okay, so this is the way actually doing the things. Okay, so let me go further towards our part 3. So that is more advanced part. Okay, so in part 3 I will make a H3, uh, and in H3 I am a S3 heading. Okay, I am a H3 heading, S3 heading. Okay. Okay, so let me do the S3 of our tag complete. Yes, so I have made one S3, that is heading 3 in this HTML, and I will make one division tag, so that inside this division I will use one class, so that you can understand the importance of class. Okay, this is first div class. Okay, and inside this div I will use one paragraph. Okay, so this is the paragraph inside the first div. I am inside the first div. Okay, so and also I will make one another division tag, this one another division tag also, like that. uh, this, so this is second div, not a first div. This is second div. Okay. Okay, so this is inside the second div. This paragraph is inside the second div, not in first division tag. This is in second division class. So that you can understand the how you can apply the CSS to different division tags. Okay, so let me save this, and I will tell you the. I also need to remove this. Okay, so it will also let me save this, and now we are able to see these things. So this I am header 3 heading. This is separate, and inside division first div we have one paragraph, and inside second div we have another paragraph. Okay. Okay. And I also introduce you about the ID, so that's why I will add one ID here, that is inside the paragraph. So I will add one ID here. The ID name is you can give any ID. Okay, singled out. So this is the ID name singled out, and the IDs must be unique. So this is actually IDs should be unique every time. Okay. So this way I have completed this paragraph, so I can tell you how to add the CSS and ID. And I also will add S3 heading 3. Okay, this heading 3, in this I have a list, some list. Okay, so I have completed some list. Inside this list, actually I have added unordered list, and unordered list I have added one list, that is confirm, and inside this confirm, after that we have one input tag. Okay, one input tag, so this is not completing, auto complete. So in inside input tag, so input is self closing tag actually. So input is self closing tag, and I will add the type of input. So what will be the type? This is checkbox type. Okay, checkbox type. After that, I will add the name. Okay, so name, what will be the name? Name should be blank here, and I will give the value of value is also blank. Okay, so this is the input type of checkbox type input. Okay, and I also will give one another li tag, that is about the feedback, not a confirm, that is about the feedback. Okay, feedback, and this should be text type, text type. Okay, okay, then I will add one another li that will contain our one anchor tag, and inside anchor we have href, and inside href you can give any website. Okay, so I will give here www.google.com. Okay, so I will tell here Google. Let me close that anchor tag, and I also have another li inside here. that is about another website. Let me save this. Techno crowd. So it is not available actually. So let me give this facebook.com. Facebook.com. Okay. So this is what Facebook. So this thing we have. Okay. In this HTML, these things we have, and we will apply the CSS to this thing. So let me save this, and I will show you. This is our web page actually. I have a S3 heading, and I have this first div, the second div, then IDs must be same. So here is a list. Inside list we have this list, confirm, box type, and feedback, input type, and Google and Facebook, these two websites. Okay, so in this meeting, I have completed the HTML part, part 3 HTML. So for part 3 CSS, we will take the class on Thursday. Okay, I will take the class on Thursday, not on Wednesday. Actually, Wednesday you have a class in your college. That's why I will not take class tomorrow. Okay, so let me close the